Sustainable tourism. Our sustainable tourism is one that follows the principles of sustainability and minimizing the impact on the environment and local culture, while helping to generate income and employment for the local population. It is a pathway to managing our resources so that they can meet economic, social, and aesthetic needs while respecting cultural integrity, as ecological process, biological diversity, and life-sustaining systems. Sustainable tourism is something very simple in principle and with which every travel should be committed. Why? Because those who travel to work are the ones who best appreciate that our planet has to offer, and from there also arise the awareness of the need to protect it. In general terms, sustainable tourism is simple when air travel is shown to be an activity with a low impact on the environment and local cultures, but what is defined so simple is not so simple in practice. For the development of sustainable tourism, there are three axes impacts of tourism. The impact for tourism refers to the effects that tourism has on community. And also tourism is often seasonal and impacts only become apparent after time, with varying effects and at different stages of development. There are three main categories. Number one, economic impacts, for example, employment opportunities or increased crime. The number two, number two is socio-cultural impacts, for example, infrastructure and facilities or development or prostitution. In the number three, environmental impacts, for example, conservation of natural habitats or destruction of habitats. For each one of these categories, the impacts can be positive or negative.